Here we will see Lambda function in Python. In Python, Lambda function is a small anonymous function, that is unnamed function, which is written in one line. Lambda functions are defined using Lambda keyword, and these functions are used when you need a short, simple function for a short time. General syntax for defining Lambda function is Lambda arguments and expression, where Lambda is the keyword to define the function. Argument is a comma-separated list of input parameters like in a regular function. Expression is a single expression that is evaluated and returned. Lambda functions can take any number of arguments. For example, when you define a function with def, first we will define def add with parameter a and b, and then we will return a plus b, and to execute it we will give add and parameters 5 and 3. And if we define a lambda function, we will give add equal to lambda with parameters x and y, return x plus y, and in print we will call this function add with parameters 5 and 3, and the output will be 8. Most common practical use cases for lambda functions in Python are short one-time functions. That is, when a function is small and used only once, use lambda, which avoids writing a full def function. For example, square equal to lambda x and expression as x into x, and print square with 5, which will return square of 5. We can use it with map function, which is used to apply an operation to every item in a sequence. For example, we have defined nums with 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll use lambda function to multiply each element in the sequence with 2. So result equal to list map lambda x, expression will be x into 2 and for nums. And when we print result, it will give the output 2, 4, 6, 8, since we have defined the list as 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will multiply 2 to every element in the list. We can use the lambda function for data processing, math operations and conversions also. It is used with filter to select the data that matches the condition. For example, we have defined a list with elements 10, 15, 20, 25, and to print even numbers from the list, we will use lambda function as even filter lambda for x mod 2 equal to 0, and when we print it, it will give the output 10 and 20. We can use it with sorted to sort the data by specific criteria. For example, here we have defined students, and to sort it we will use lambda function. It will sort it according to name in descending order. We can use it for small inline logic, that is, we can check the number is odd or even using lambda function as check equal to lambda x. It will print even if x mod 2 equal to 0, else it will print odd. So if we execute print check with 7, it will give the output odd. We can use the lambda function as a quick callback function, which is used for GUI programs, games and event-driven code. For example, for button on-click event, we will use lambda function to print button is clicked. We can also use it with database and machine learning, which is commonly used with pandas and numpy for feature engineering and data clearing.